dear friend. My name is Valeria and I will be your music teacher. I'm a professional violin player and I have been playing for 25 years. Yes, it's actually all my life. And this little girl right here, it's actually me. And I think around that age I decided to be a musician. The only problem, they couldn't find a right violin size for me. Through all my life, I can hear people saying, I would like to play piano, I would like to play violin, and oh gosh, I would love to know how to read the music. But you know what, there is always excuses. I don't have time for it. I don't want to go in a music school. This is for kids. I'm too old for it. And the last one, I'm not talented at all. Well, you know what? I don't want to hear any excuses anymore because I created for you a course of lessons where you will be able to learn everything about the music and even more. The only thing I need from you is 10-15 minutes of your time every week and a good mood. And by the way, your first lesson already here. Just click on it. So don't forget subscribe for my channel and you will be able to learn something new.